Hey guys, today let's learn how to hide all photos in Facebook from public. So if you do have multiple photos on your Facebook application and you want to go ahead and hide them, all we need to do first is to launch the Facebook application, tap on your profiles, and then I want you to go ahead and access your settings actually. So just tap on your settings option on the top right corner and then scroll until you see your activity. Now under your activity, let's tap on activity log and then tap on your Facebook activity, and I want you to access the specific photos that you have uploaded if it is actually possible for you to access that. So we do have other activity, fundraisers, and posts. If we want to go ahead and access our photos, we will access the posts. So let's tap on your posts, photos, and videos. And from here, we could actually have access to a single page of all of our posts, photos, and videos. We could actually go ahead and categorize this and only choose, as you would see, your check-ins, your posts, posted in from timeline, and stuff like that, videos you've watched, and other stuff like so. And you could actually proceed now with locating these specific posts that you have made before, or you could also proceed with selecting all of them and proceed with hiding them from your profile just by changing the privacy. So you could actually proceed with doing that like so. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and take care.